Okay, so what I'm going to show you is how you can integrate this using either Formula 1 or Formula 2. So the reason you can use either a Formula 1 or Formula 2 is because you can make A equal this, or you can make A equal this. I'll explain it in greater detail. Okay, so let's first look at Formula 1. We'll work with Formula 1 first to show how you can integrate this. Currently, you can't integrate this because there are two trig terms that are times to each other, and they both have different coefficients here. So you can't combine them to make one overall trig term to integrate, such as, I don't know, cos 5x or sine 2x or something of this form. So looking at example 1, we can divide this all by 2 to get sine A cos B equals a half sine A plus B plus sine A minus B. The reason I divided it all by, the reason why I times it all by a half is so that this looks like this. So yeah, let's say there was a 5 over here. I would times this all by 5 over 2. So it'll be 5 over 2 times by 2, which will have a 5 in the front, and all of this is times by 5 over 2. Okay. So let's look at these coefficients. So A equals 3x, B equals 2x. So sine 3x cos 2x equals a half sine A plus B. So 3x plus 2x plus sine 3x minus 2x, which is just x, sine 5x plus sine x. So that's what you get when you just simplify this. So the integral of sine 3x cos 2x dx equals the integral of a half sine 5x plus a half x. Okay, so a half sine 5x plus a half sine x dx. I just expanded this by a half as this equals this. Okay, so we know now we know how to integrate these terms. Remember, when you integrate sine, you get minus cos. So this will turn into a minus cos 5x, and this will turn into a minus cos x. Over here we have a coefficient of 5, so we're going to have to times this all by 1 over 5, because you times by 1 over this coefficient when you integrate. So this equals a half from here times 1 over 5 times by minus cos 5x. Yep, that's correct. And then this is just minus a half cos x. Simplifying gives you minus 1 over 10 cos 5x minus 1/2 cos x. So the reason we could integrate this is because we was able to split these two trigonometric terms up, which were times by each other, into two separate ones that we previously knew how to integrate. Yeah. Okay, so we use rule number 1, but now if we use rule number 2, we should get the same answer. Okay, let's just demonstrate this. So this was rule number 1. So rule number 2, I'm going to write here. So I'm just going to divide all of this by 2 as well, just to get cos A sine B equals a half sine A plus B minus sine A minus B. And okay, so by looking at this, sine 3x cos 2x, we have to work out what is our A and our B. So we can tell that the A must equal 2x, the B must equal 3x,